How to create a character in Talkie Soulful AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Talkie Soulful AI character. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Talkie's website. So simply search for talkie-ai.com and hit enter. So let me just go there, and yeah, make sure that you log in into your account as well. After you log in into your account, on the top you will see create a talkie option. This is the one right here. Tap on it and open it up. Now after you here, you can tap on create a talkie again on the top left option. It's right around here. Tap on it and now you will be on this create option. Now you can name your talkie, so you can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it test. And after doing that, you can select its gender. Now you can select whichever gender you want. And after you do that, you can then add a setting of the character. Now this can include your background information, characteristics, and relationship between the characters and stuff like that. Now again, under the intro, you can type in whatever you want that whatever you want, anything the user says, the talkie AI will say it back. So there's also an opening conversation, so you can type that in right here as well. Then after that, there is a skill section where you can add a skill for the talkie AI. So you can tap on the add button, and as you can see, the AI can paint, so you can add that. And you can add that there are more features coming up soon, so you can do that, and then you can add an image as well. After that, you can then choose for a voice. So you can choose for a voice here, whichever voice you want. And after doing that, you can also choose anything from your library. You can simply start, you can record your voice and you can upload it as well. And after you do that, you can test your AI here and then tap on publish. After you tap on publish, it should be right here. So as you can see, you will be able to see it on your draft section. And that's basically how you can create a Talkie Soulful AI character, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.